Shanghai, as one of China's most important economic centers, is a city with a rich history and vibrant energy. It is not only a financial and trade hub of China but also a center of culture, technology, and transportation. Below is a detailed introduction to Shanghai, covering its geographical location and climate, population and ethnicity, historical background, administrative divisions, cuisine, and attractions. Shanghai is located on the eastern coast of China, at the eastern end of the Yangtze River Delta, with geographical coordinates of 31 degrees 14 minutes north latitude and 121 degrees 29 minutes east longitude. Shanghai is bordered by the East China Sea to the east, Zhejiang Province to the south, Jiangsu Province to the west, and the Yangtze River to the north. Its unique geographical location makes Shanghai an important trade and shipping center in China and the world, covering a total area of approximately 6,340 square kilometers. Shanghai's climate is classified as a humid subtropical climate with distinct seasons. Spring is warm but sometimes windy, summer is hot and humid, autumn is cool and dry, making it the best season for tourism. Winter is cold and dry. The annual average temperature is around 16 degrees Celsius, with July being the hottest month at an average temperature of about 28 degrees Celsius, and January being the coldest month at an average temperature of about 4 degrees Celsius. The annual rainfall is approximately 1,200 millimeters, mainly concentrated in the summer monsoon season and the typhoon season. As of 2023, Shanghai's resident population is approximately 24.68 million, making it one of the most populous cities in China. Shanghai's population is highly diverse, with a large number of local residents as well as migrants from all over China and the world. With the rapid development of the city, Shanghai has become an international metropolis where various cultures converge. In terms of ethnic composition, Shanghai is predominantly Han Chinese, accounting for over 99% of the total population. Additionally, there are minority ethnic groups such as Hui, Manchu, Mongol, and Korean. With increasing internationalization, Shanghai also attracts a significant number of foreign residents, forming a society where diverse cultures coexist harmoniously. The history of Shanghai dates back to the 5th century BC when it was a small fishing village. Over time, Shanghai gradually developed into an important trading port. In the mid-19th century, Shanghai became a gateway for foreign trade, especially after the Treaty of Nanjing in 1842, becoming one of the 5 treaty ports open to foreign trade. Since then, Shanghai quickly developed into one of China's most important commercial and financial centers. At the beginning of the 20th century, Shanghai underwent rapid urbanization, becoming the largest city and commercial center in the Far East. After the founding of the People's Republic of China in 1949, Shanghai gradually became a crucial base for national industrial and economic development. Since the reform and opening up, Shanghai has leveraged its unique geographical location and policy advantages to experience rapid economic growth, becoming an important financial and trade center in China and globally. Shanghai is divided into 16 districts, each with distinct functions and characteristics. Huangpu District is the central district of Shanghai, home to many historical and cultural sites as well as commercial streets. Xuhui District is known for its beautiful garden villas and prestigious universities, being a hub of culture and education. Changning District is an international community with many foreign embassies and international companies. Jing'an and Putuo districts are important commercial areas in Shanghai. Jing'an districts, Nanjing West Road Commercial Street, and Putuo districts, Chongfeng Ecological Business District, are bustling commercial centers. Hongkou and Yangpu districts are known for their rich historical and cultural heritage and vibrant innovation and entrepreneurship atmosphere. Pudong New Area is a symbol of Shanghai's modernization, with numerous skyscrapers and financial institutions, representing China's reform and opening up. The Lujiazui Financial and Trade Zone in Pudong gathers globally renowned banks and companies, making it the financial center of Shanghai and the country. In the suburbs, Minhang, Baoshan, and Jiading districts are important industrial bases, hosting numerous manufacturing and high-tech industries. Jinshan and Songjiang districts attract many residents with their good ecological environment and rapidly developing new towns. Qingpu, Fengxian, and Chongming districts are popular for their beautiful natural landscapes and ecological tourism resources, providing ideal leisure and holiday destinations for Shanghai residents. Shanghai's culinary culture is rich and diverse, forming an important part of Chinese cuisine. As an international metropolis, Shanghai's cuisine reflects traditional local flavors while incorporating specialties from across China and around the world, creating a unique culinary culture. Shanghai soup dumplings, xiaolongbao, are one of the most representative dishes of Shanghai, known for their thin skin, juicy meat filling, and delicious soup. The meticulous preparation and delicious taste make soup dumplings one of the most iconic foods in Shanghai. Whether at Nanxiong in Yuyuan or street vendors in Chenghuangmiao, one can savor authentic Shanghai flavors. Shengjianbao, or pan-fried buns, are another traditional Shanghai snack, with a crispy golden bottom and juicy filling. Common fillings include pork and shrimp. Shengjianbao can be found in street corners throughout Shanghai and are a favorite among locals and tourists. Red braised pork is a traditional Shanghai home-cooked dish made with pork belly simmered slowly to make it tender and flavorful, with a bright red glaze. The preparation of red braised pork involves careful control of heat and seasoning, making it a staple on Shanghai dining tables. Crab roe tofu is a classic Shanghai dish, combining tender tofu with savory crab roe for a delightful taste and nutritious meal. Each autumn, during the hairy crab season, crab roe tofu becomes a popular dish. 8 treasure duck is a traditional Shanghai dish, where a whole duck is stuffed with glutinous rice, lotus seeds, wolfberries, ham, and other ingredients, then steamed to perfection. This dish, with its complex preparation, is usually enjoyed during major celebrations and banquets. Additionally, Shanghai has many traditional desserts and snacks, such as tayatugo, glutinous rice cakes, scallion pancakes, and yudunzi, fried dumplings. Tayatugo is made from glutinous rice flour and red bean paste, rolled in soybean powder. Scallion pancakes are made from dough and scallions, crispy outside and soft inside. Yudunzi are fried snacks made from glutinous rice flour and fillings, crispy on the outside and tender inside. Shanghai's cuisine is not just a feast for the taste buds, but also a cultural experience. Each dish carries rich historical and cultural stories, allowing people to savor the profound heritage of the city while enjoying the flavors. As China's financial center and an international metropolis, Shanghai boasts numerous historical and cultural attractions as well as modern tourist spots, making it a paradise for visitors. Whether ancient historical sites or modern urban landscapes, Shanghai offers a wealth of sightseeing options. The Bund, located along the Huangpu River, is one of Shanghai's most iconic sites. Known for its European-style architecture and stunning night views, the Bund is a must-visit for both domestic and international tourists. The exhibition of world architecture along the Bund showcases architectural styles from the late 19th to early 20th centuries, and the nighttime light show is spectacular. The Oriental Pearl Tower is a landmark building in Shanghai, standing at 468 meters tall. It features an observation deck and a revolving restaurant, providing a panoramic view of Shanghai. From the Oriental Pearl Tower, visitors can enjoy a bird's-eye view of the bustling Pudong New Area. Yu Garden, a classic Jiangnan garden with over 400 years of history, showcases traditional Chinese architecture and gardening. With famous spots like the Nineben Bridge and the Mid-Lake Pavilion, Yu Garden is an ideal place to experience Shanghai's historical culture. The nearby Chenghuang Temple Snack Street is also a great place to taste traditional Shanghai snacks. Nanjing Road Pedestrian Street is one of Shanghai's busiest shopping streets, lined with numerous department stores and restaurants, making it a great place for shopping and dining. The street features both modern shopping centers and historical stores. Tianzifang is a creative district in Shanghai, home to many art studios, galleries, and cafes, offering a modern art and cultural experience. The combination of old buildings and modern art in Tianzifang creates a unique cultural atmosphere. The Shanghai Museum houses a vast collection of valuable Chinese artifacts, including bronzes, ceramics, and paintings, making it an ideal place to learn about Chinese history and culture. The museum's unique architectural design showcases a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. In addition, Shanghai offers many other places worth visiting. Shanghai Disneyland is one of the world's famous theme parks, offering a wide range of entertainment and experiences for families. The Shanghai Science and Technology Museum is a modern museum showcasing scientific and technological innovations. Zhujiajiao Ancient Town, with its well-preserved Ming and Qing dynasty buildings and picturesque watertown scenery, is a great place for leisure tourism. In conclusion, Shanghai's attractions are diverse, ranging from historical and cultural sites to modern urban landscapes. Whether you are a history enthusiast or a modern art follower, you can find your interests in Shanghai. The city not only has a rich historical and cultural heritage, but also showcases the prosperity and innovation of a modern metropolis, providing visitors with endless exploration and experience opportunities.